Welcome to our video on access and refresh token management in Nest.js. If you're building modern web applications, you know how crucial it is to manage user authentication and authorization securely. One of the most popular approaches to achieve this is by using JSON Web Tokens, or JWTs for short. However, managing these tokens can be a bit tricky, especially when it comes to handling access and refresh tokens. In this video, we'll dive into the world of token management in Nest.js, exploring what access and refresh tokens are, how they're used, and most importantly, how you can effectively manage them in your application. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the concepts and steps involved in implementing secure token management using Nest.js. So, let's start with the basics. What are access and refresh tokens in simple terms? An access token is a short-lived token that contains the user's credentials and is used to authenticate requests to your API. On the other hand, a refresh token is a long-lived token that can be used to obtain new access tokens when they expire. When a user logs into your application, you generate both an access token and a refresh token. The access token is sent with every request to your API, while the refresh token is stored securely on the client side, usually in local storage or cookies. Now here's where things can get a bit tricky. When the access token expires, the user needs to be re-authenticated to obtain a new access token. This is where the refresh token comes into play. The client sends the refresh token to your API, which verifies its validity and generates a new access token in response. But how do you manage these tokens effectively? One common approach is to use a library like Passport.js, which provides a set of strategies for handling authentication and authorization. In Nest.js, you can create a custom module that handles token generation, verification, and refresh logic. For example, when the user logs in, your API generates an access token with a short expiration time, say 15 minutes. At the same time, it generates a refresh token with a longer expiration time, say 7 days. When the access token expires, the client sends the refresh token to your API, which verifies its validity and generates a new access token. So what are from our discussion on access and refresh token management in Nest.js? Firstly, it's essential to understand the difference between access and refresh tokens and how they're used. Secondly, you should use a library like Passport.js to handle authentication and authorization logic. Finally, implement a custom module that handles token generation, verification, and refresh logic. And that's it for our video on access and refresh token management in Nest.js. We hope you now have a solid understanding of the concepts and steps involved in implementing secure token management using Nest.js. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and explanations on web development topics. Also, if you're interested in exploring more about Nest.js and its ecosystem, we'll link some additional resources in the description below. Thanks for watching.